agradeceros vuestra asistencia. Durante 3 meses, 28 estudiantes y 4 profesores hemos estado preparando estas tiras cómicas. No somos profesionales, tan solo nos hemos embarcado en esta aventura con la ilusión de practicar y mejorar el inglés de un modo diferente al que estamos acostumbrados en clase. De esta tarde que vamos a compartir, tan solo os pedimos 2 cosas. Un poco de paciencia por si cometemos algún fallo y sobre todo mucha diversión. Muchas gracias. Good evening. Thank you for being here this evening. Today we are pleased to welcome students and teachers of the language school in Mercurio. It has been a real pleasure to me to have had the opportunity to work with them. Most of them are not professional actors or actresses that I know. They just study the language. This year, some of them have decided to embark on the adventure of improving the language through theatre. For the last 3 months, these students, together with 4 teachers, have been practicing their sketches, memorizing the parts, and improving the language through pronunciation, intonation, and facial expression, etc. We've put rhythms, stress, looks, body language, music, customs, sounds, all into a box. We've shaken it all up, and this is the result. 8 sketches, 28 students, 4 teachers, a multinational audience, and 1 single language to unify them all. We've decided to bring to stage this initiative with the sole purpose of sharing our learning and laughter with you. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you.
My mother? I'm the mother in this house. What do you want?
Dust, madam.
Dust!
Yes, madam. Dust.
I haven't got any dust.
Oh, yes, you have. All over your carpet.
Hey! I just cleaned this carpet. Why are you putting dust all over it?
Don't worry, madam. I got the answer to all your problems here. The superlative vacuum cleaner.
The superlative vacuum cleaner. Why is it called superlative?
Because, madam, everything about it is superlative. It is the biggest, the cleanest, the cheapest, the smallest, the smartest, the most beautiful, the most effective, the most revolutionary vacuum cleaner in the world. And it's only 65 pounds for you.
Are you trying to sell the vacuum cleaner to me?
Yes, madam.
Well, go on then.
Go on then. I finished, madam.
Finished! You haven't said very much. What sort of vacuum cleaner salesman are you?
Not a very one.
I
I'm
can
afraid.
see that. Yes, I can see that.
No, I am a very bad vacuum cleaner salesman. In fact, I am the worst salesman in our company.
The worst.
Yes, the worst. I sometimes think I am the worst vacuum cleaner salesman in the world.
Oh, dear.
every day, it's the same. Good morning, you're late, it's your Margarita, the mother
Well. Is it the quickest?
No, probably it's the slowest.
Is it the cleanest?
Ines, don't make me laugh. I don't think there is a dirty vacuum cleaner in the market. It's virtually the cheapest either.
No. This is no good at all.
Pardon?
Look, do you want to sell this vacuum cleaner or don't you?
I suppose.
Well, your sales technique is all wrong.
Is it?
Yes. Look, I can sell this vacuum cleaner better than you.
No, you couldn't.
Yes, I could, and I will show you. You come into the house, and I ring the bell and sell the vacuum cleaner to you.
You will sell the vacuum cleaner to me?
Yes.
Okay, but it isn't as easy as you think.
Now, well, we see. Go inside and shut the door.
All right.
Yes. Hello. Hello. My goodness me! What a beautiful house you've got!
Oh, do you like it?
Like it? It's the most beautiful house I have seen for a long time.
Thank you very much. May I come in?
Thank you. Wow! What a colorful carpet!
It's lovely, isn't it?
It's the most colorful carpet I've seen. And I should think it was very expensive.
The most expensive one in the shop.
And I suppose you've got a very good vacuum cleaner to look after it.
Vacuum cleaner?
Yes?
No, I haven't.
You haven't got a vacuum cleaner?
No.
Well, madam, this is your lucky day. Because I have here the best vacuum cleaner that money can buy. The superlative vacuum cleaner.
Oh, is it really good?
Good? Good? It's the
Quickest,
quickest? It's the
cleanest,
the cleanest? It's the cheapest? It's the smallest? It's the smartest? It's the most effective? The most economical? The most beautiful? The most revolutionary vacuum cleaner in the world?
Oh, how much is it?
Just 65 pounds to you, madam.
I buy one.
Good idea.
Where is the money?
It's in my handbag.
Okay, I just go and get some money.
Okay. Oh, you made the right decision.
You know, you are a fantastic saleswoman.
Wow.
You got a fantastic sales technique.
Do you think so?
Yes, you have the best sales technique I've seen all day.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you very much.
Come.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. Now that's the way to sell a vacuum cleaner.